Hello friends, in this video I will explain you highlights of budget 2023. Now starting from income taxpayers. No changes in the old tax regime. New tax regime to become the default tax regime. However, citizens can opt for the old tax regime. No tax on income up to 7.5 lakh a year in new tax regime with inclusions of standard deduction. Government proposes to reduce higher surcharge from 37% to 25% in new tax regime. Now the new tax slabs under the new tax regime is as follows: 0 to 3 lakhs nil, 3 to 6 lakhs 5%, 6 to 9 lakhs 10%, 9 to 12 lakhs 15%, 12 to 15 lakhs 20%, over 15 lakhs 30%. An individual with annual income of 9 lakh will have to pay only 45,000 rupees in taxes. Income of 15 lakh will fetch 1.5 lakh in tax, down from 1.87 lakh. A 50,000 standard deduction to taxpayers has been introduced under the new regime. Payment received from Agnivir Corpus Fund by Agnivirs to be exempted. Tax exemption removed in insurance policies with premium over 5 lakh rupees. For in online games, government proposes to provide for TDS and taxability on net winning at the time of withdrawal or at the end of fiscal. Tax exemption on leave encashment or retirement of non-government salaried employees hiked to 25 lakh from 3 lakhs. A higher limit of 3 crore for TDS on cash withdrawal to be provided to cooperative societies. Next generation common IT return form to be rolled out for taxpayer convenience. Grievance redressal mechanisms to be strengthened. TDS rate to be reduced from 30% to 20% on taxable portion of EPF withdrawal in non-PAN cases. Now the items which get cheaper in this budget are mobile phones, TV, lab-grown diamonds, shrimp feed, machinery for lithium-ion batteries, raw material for heavy industries. The items which get costlier are cigarettes, gold and silver, compounded rubber, imitation jewelry, articles made from gold bars, imported bicycle and toys, imported kitchen electric chimneys, imported luxury cars and EVs. Now talking about the indirect taxes, 16% tax hike on certain cigarettes, new cooperative that commenced manufacturing till March 2024 to get lower tax rate of 15%. Basic customs duty on crude glycerin reduced to 2.5%. Import duty on silver bars hiked to align it with gold and platinum. Extend custom duty cut on import of parts of mobile phones by 1 year. To promote TV manufacturing, custom duty on open cells of TV panels reduced to 2.5%. Relief provided in custom duties on import of certain parts and inputs like camera lens. Concessional duty on lithium-ion cells for batteries extended for 1 year. Number of basic custom duty rates on goods other than textile and agriculture reduced from 21 to 13. As a result, there are minor changes in taxes on some items, toys, bicycles and automobiles. Now, if we talk about railways get massive boost in this budget. An outlay of 2.4 lakh crore rupees provided for railways in financial year 24 budget. It's the highest ever allocation for railways and is nearly 9 times over financial year 14 allocation. The allocation for track renewal has been increased from 15,388 crore rupees in railway budget 2022-23 to 17,296 crore rupees this year. The railway is likely to roll out 75 Vande Bharat trains by August 2023. Capex rate hiked to 33% in this budget. Rupees 10 lakh crore Capex investment, a steep hike of 33% for third year in a row to enhance growth potential and job creation, crowd in private investment and provide a cushion against global headwinds. Effective capital expenditure of centre to be 13.7 lakh crore. Capital investment outlay to be 3.3% of GDP in financial year 24. Effective capital expenditure of centre at 13.7 lakh rupees in financial year 24. New infrastructure finance secretariat established to enhance opportunities for private investment in infrastructure. Defence budget hiked by 13%. Defence budget increased to 5.94 lakh crore rupees from last year's 5.25 lakh crore. Rupees 1.62 lakh crore set aside for capital expenditure including purchases of new weapons, aircraft, warships and other military hardware. For 2022-23, the budgetary allocations for capital outflow was 1.52 lakh crore. Fiscal deficit target to be below 4.5% by 2025 to 26. Fiscal deficit target of 6.4% retained in the revised estimate for financial year 23, reduced to 5.9% for financial year 24. Gross market borrowing seen at 15.43 lakh crore rupees in financial year 24. Net market borrowing in financial year 24 seen at 11.8 lakh crore rupees. Financial year 23 net tax receipts revised estimate stands at 20.9 lakh crore rupees. Financial year 23 total expenditure revised estimate stands at 41.9 lakh crore rupees. Revamped credit guarantee for MSMEs to take effect from April 1, 2023 with infusion of 9,000 crore rupees in corpus. The scheme would enable additional collateral-free guarantee credit of rupees 2 lakh crore rupees and also reduce the cost of the credit by up to 1%. To encourage the indigenous production of lab-grown diamonds, a research and development grant is to be provided to one of the IITs for 5 years. Proposals to review custom duty of lab-grown diamonds to be included in the Part B of budget document. 50 additional airports, helipads, water air aerodromes, advanced landing grounds will be revived to improve regional air connectivity. Union Budget 2023 allocates enhanced outlay of 2.7 lakh crore rupees for the highways sector. Allocation to NHAI increased by 13.9% to 1.62 lakh crore rupees for 2023 to 24. Government to bring another dispute resolution scheme, Vivad Se Vishwas 2, to settle commercial disputes. PAN as common identifier for all digital systems for government agencies. For all business establishment required to have a PAN, that is permanent account number. PAN will be used as a common identifier for all digital systems. One-stop solution for reconciliation and updating identity maintained by various agencies to be established using DigiLocker and Aadhaar as foundational identity. Central Processing Center to be set up for faster response to companies filing form under Companies Act. For businesses establishment required to have permanent account number, the PAN will be used as a common identifier for all digital systems of specified government agencies. More than 39,000 compliances have been reduced and over 3,400 legal provisions discriminalized to enhancing ease of doing business. Jan Vishwas Bill to amend 42 central acts have been introduced. Talking about digital services, scope of services in DigiLocker to be expanded. 100 labs for developing applications to use 5G services to be set up in engineering institutions. Labs will cover smart classrooms, precision farming and healthcare applications. Health sector has been allocated 89,155 crore rupees in the union budget. Mission to eliminate sickle cell anemia by 2047. A new program for research in pharmaceuticals will be formulated and the industry will be encouraged to invest in research. Out of 89,155 crore rupees, 86,175 crore rupees has been allocated to the Department of Health and Family Welfare, while 2,980 crore rupees to the Department of Health Research. Budget allocation for the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana for 2023 to 24 is 3,365 crore rupees. Among the central sector schemes, the budget allocation for the National Health Mission has been increased from 28,974 crore rupees. Budget allocation for the Ayush Ministry has been increased from 2,845 crore rupees. 3 centers of excellence for artificial intelligence to be set up in top educational institutions. 157 new nursing colleges will be established in collocation with the existing 157 medical colleges established in 2014. Eklavya model residential schools to be set up in the next 3 years. The center will recruit 38,800 teachers and support staff for 740 schools serving 3.5 lakh tribal students. National data governance policy to be brought up to unleash innovation and research by startups and academy. Grant for University Grants Commission (UGC) has been increased by 459 crore rupees. Central universities have been increased by 17.66%, deemed universities by 27%, support to IITs have been increased by 14%, and to NITs by 10.7% as compared to BE 2022-23. An agricultural accelerated fund will be set up to encourage agri startups by young entrepreneurs. Digital public infrastructures to be developed for the agriculture sector. Rupees 20 lakh crore rupees agriculture credit targeted at animal husbandry, dairy and fishery. Over the next 3 years, 1 crore farmers will get assistance to adopt natural farming. 10,000 bio-input resources center will be set up. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market update.